if you want to know what I'm doing with that steel, you just have to be a Patreon so you can see that on the Patreon side. But we're going to do something else in a minute. Well, but I can tell you that I had a little project that needed wood that's about 2 by 3, and I went to the shop and came home with this galvanized metal, because this stuff was about €7 for 6 meters. Compared that to some wood you want to buy. But like I said, you have to go to my Patreon site to see what I did with this stuff. But we're going to do something else today. I've got a lot of stuff from friends of mine who are moving house, and they had a lot of furniture, leftovers of wood and stuff like that, and I went there and took it with me. I've got some tongue and groove stuff. I've got some new packages of laminate, how do you call that, flooring, which I can use for the van. I did get a lot of particle board, laminated particle board. I don't know what I'm going to do with it right now, because, well, it's a hard material to use other than just making shelves or whatever, but we'll see. And I took with me a nice storage unit, which had a bit of an accident, but we're going to try to restore that today. It's empty, and as you can see, there is a jar somewhere here for everything. So a lot of little parts could be saved. Screws, nuts, bolts, all that kind of stuff. But now we've got to see where we can make this into a nice little storage unit again. Now it's been a bit abused, and the back isn't really working anymore. Yeah, so I think I'll replace the back, then sand everything down, clean it up, wax it, and maybe that'll do it. So, but first, get this back off. The video, I think it's going to be long, probably, but I want to have this break because all this material I got comes from good friends, and they are the Selway statues. You can visit their website, their Facebook site, YouTube. Well, I'll put some links in the description, and they are living statues. They travel around doing this statue things, but with a twist sometimes, so put a little video somewhere here in the screen, but video isn't the real thing because they are statues, but you flip some coin or something in their head and then there's something happening. Maybe you could see them somewhere around Europe. I know they're going to Holland soon. You can find them at one of the living statue events in and around Europe. Give them a thumbs up when you go to their Facebook site or their YouTube. Then I'll finish this storage unit, and this side is painted. and that side isn't. So I'm still wondering whether I would, try to mix the same color or just paint the whole sides again new. I think that's the best option. But first we have to sand it a bit and drink some coffee. I guess it's ready. Little storage unit, completely restored, upcycled, whatever you want to call it. I didn't do anything, you know, major to the front. I even left some paint splatters on that were on there. I just, you know, waxed it again because it has to stay like it was, like nice vintage unit. So okay, a bit of sign writing on the top. I thought it was, you know, funny and nice. Whether I'm gonna keep it myself, I don't know. I don't have a spot for it yet, but if anybody's interested in it, it was a lot of work, but yeah, it looks nice. I took acrylic paint for the sides. You know, I matched the color that was on there and then put wax on the sides also, so it gets, well, it looks old. It looks like it's always been like that. So yeah, that's the project for this week. Nice little storage unit that could do in a workshop, but I can imagine you could put it in your kitchen or your house too. It could hold cards or, I don't know, phone chargers or whatever. Yeah, many things that you could put in. So that's it for now. We're going on and see if we can do some other projects. But for now, till next time, at the logo.